As you can see, there are a bunch of slats missing from these vertical blinds. They generally break off at the tabs, and I did manage to find the ones that had broken off. And as you can see, all the little tabs on them are broken where they're supposed to fit into the clips. Easy repair. And what you need is a pair of scissors, a hole punch, and a pen. Here's a really broken one that we will never use again. However, it gives me the location of where those holes are supposed to be. We take the opposite side. We mark where the line is supposed to be. And we mark where the hole is supposed to be. And there it is. Now we cut a straight line. And we hole punch and there's a perfectly good hole to attach to those clips. That's one down. In this case, we have about 6 or 7 of them to repair. Let's try that again. Take one of the broken pieces. You need to mark where you're going to cut. And you need to mark where you're going to punch the hole. Cut. And hole punch. That's 2 down. As soon as I finish the rest of these, I'll be mounting them. Until then, I'm just going to shut the camera off, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. And as you can tell, new holes have been punched into these slats, and we're going to put them back in place. Clips. Get up in there. There we go. And it's now in place. Do some more. And that one's in place. Unfortunately, it was bent, and bend it right back. And a couple more. Clipped. Just make sure that they're all facing the right way, because it is a bear to unclip them. Now let's do this one here. And here we have it. One more here. And the blinds are back up. See how that works. Anytime you move these blinds, make sure that they are in a vertical position. If they're in a closed position, you're liable to damage the mechanism when you're trying to open and close. So, open position, and back and forth. Here we go. And your blinds are almost as good as new.